picture of the compressor. As you see, I'm sending it back. Everything is in tip-top shape. Nothing has been removed from the box at all. Same way it came in. This way. Same way it came in. Everything's been assembled. I mean, nothing's been assembled. Nothing's been taken out of the box at all. Still in the way that it came from the manufacturer. In the same packaging, everything. Returning this due to the fact that it's the wrong part. Part does not fit my 2007 Escalade. This model is for a 2006 Escalade and on down.